Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. This video will be on how to make a Shopify store step by step. Building a polished, professional Shopify store is crucial for e-commerce success. So I'm going to walk you through launching a complete Shopify store from initial setup all the way through design, apps, settings, and more. And the first step is that we need to go to shopify.com and create a Shopify account. You can create one completely for free. You just need to enter your email, other basic information, and no credit card is required for the email. This will give you full access to build a live store. However, be thoughtful when choosing your store name during signup, as this will be part of your domain if you choose to buy one later. And once your store is provisioned, you can start setting it up. Shopify will guide you through the initial setup checklist. Onto the basic admin settings, we have the orders where we can manage orders and fulfillment. Products allow you to add and edit products and inventory. Customers show the customers' profiles and the metrics. Apps is where we can get the app integrations, and we will get to it a little bit later. There's the very important theme where you can select and customize the design and many more. Moving on, we have to take a look at the Shopify plans. Shopify offers 3 core pricing plans. You've got the basic one for $32 per month, and it includes basic reports, up to 1,000 inventory locations and 2 staff accounts. Shopify for small businesses for $92 per month, and it includes the same thing basically but more staff accounts. And for the advanced one, you would have it for $399 per month, and you can get custom report builder and up to 15 staff accounts. You can try any one of these plans for free, and you can get started with any one of these plans for $1 per month for the first 3 months. Feel free to check the link in our description down below. This is a temporary offer and it will direct you right to the trial. So click on the link and then choose the free trial that you prefer to start with, and for 3 months you will get it for $1 per month, as I said. And after that you can cancel the plan if you don't like it or switch it. But still, I would recommend selecting an affordable starting point while testing your concept. And then if you see that there is a lot of value from the plan that you chose, you can continue with it or downgrade or upgrade, whatever you like. Let's add our first product to kick things off. You can import an existing product to sell rather than manually creating it. You can simply do that by going to apps and then Shopify store and then searching for any kind of dropshipping. You can get Oberlo if you want. Oberlo allows you to import and dropship products from suppliers like AliExpress. So install the application and then search for a product that you want to sell in your store. I'm going to select this one for example, and then you can click on the add to import list button to select the product. Go to import list and delete any demo products, just keeping your chosen one. Then finally, you simply have to click on import to store so your product is live in your Shopify store, ready to be customized and sold. Every e-commerce site needs a few core pages for critical information, policies, contact details, and so on. So make absolutely sure to check these ones out and be careful with how you set them up. Go to the online store and then pages and click on add a new page. And some of the key pages that we want to create are the shipping policy and the refund policy if you have any. There is also the privacy policy, terms of service, contact page, and frequently asked questions page. With these pages live, you've got the foundations of helpful site content ready to go. And with pages like the contact ones and the frequently asked questions, you set a professional foundation for your store, and it helps build trust for your customers. In the footer navigation, delete unnecessary links and add your new shipping, refunds, and privacy policy and all of the things that we discussed. Organized navigation is crucial for helping visitors easily find what they need on your site and then check out confidently. Moving on, we have to install and customize a theme. So at this point, your store uses the Shopify's default Dawn theme. You can install a custom one for additional style and features. Check out the themes and browse the theme store. Many quality free and paid themes are available. I recommend checking out the Sense one. Once you've selected a theme, click the publish to install it and then go to customize to tailor the design and content to your brand. In customize, you can delete any preloaded demo sections and then add your own logo to the header and the footer. You can pick brand colors and fonts and then tweak the other elements. In essence, you want a polished look aligned with your brand identity, so don't launch your store until you've fully customized the theme. When you've created your product listings, make sure that all the details are accurate and optimized to drive conversions before listing your products publicly. You can always order physical product samples so you can photograph. User-generated image content tends to perform best. For creating dedicated landing pages for your products, you can have applications that will help you with this. Install Pagefly. It's completely free and you can select a product page template or design your own layout. It allows you to drag in elements like high-res image gallery, product title, price, variants, a sizing chart, you've got description, specs and materials, plus the shipping, returns and the discounts information. Always preview your store on mobile to make sure it converts across devices and then publish it once it's complete. Moving on, I have some tips for you when designing your homepage, as it is the first impression for your visitors, so design it strategically. You want to lead with strong branding, messaging and imagery. Make sure to summarize your key products, offerings and differentiators. Always use clear, scannable headlines and descriptive content, as it leads to the most conversions. And inserting photos, videos or illustrations can help you build engagement. So to keep layouts clean and simple with strategic content flow, that's basically your goal, as you only have a few seconds to capture attention and drive sales. Some key apps that can help you achieve just that. They will also provide you with tons of extended functionality for your store, so be absolutely sure to check them out at least. You've got Oberlo, which helps you import and manage dropshipped products as we mentioned. Pagefly as well to help you build custom landing pages. Privy offers pop-ups and email opt-ins. Another popular application is Judge.me. It helps you pull in and display the product reviews, which is extremely important and converts very well. And finally, we have ShipStation, which helps you print shipping labels and tracking information. Most of these apps either have free plans forever or at least free trials, so make sure to take advantage of the ones that solve the problems that you might face. Once your store is fully set up and equipped with amazing applications, it's time to start driving traffic and sales. And the way to do that is with email business contacts and existing customer lists. You should run the obvious Facebook and Instagram ads to cold audiences and then reach out to relevant influencers for promotions if you can afford it. Don't forget to leverage friends and family for referrals. It helps with the initial few traffic just to get things up and going. You can share your launch on social media and run referral promotions, giveaways and maybe contests. Just make sure to use as many of these various methods, both paid and organic, to start building an audience and customer base for your new business. By following these steps covered in this video, you can set up a polished, high-converting online shop ready to drive sales and growth for your brand. The optimization for your store never really ends. Use data and customer input to continually perfect your store over time. And even though we mentioned a lot of applications, there is a bunch more that you can get added to your store. Just keep in mind the most important factor when adding these applications, which is keeping your store smooth, clean, and fast. Slow loading pages are usually a big turnoff for customers and it leads to much less conversions. So you don't really want to spread these applications everywhere on your store, even if they're beneficial. Remember to take advantage of the free trial period to test ideas and nail down winning products before investing heavily. And let us know if you have any other questions for building your Shopify store. Please do remember to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make. Thank you once again for watching and see you guys in the next one.